we will create a data set on a JSON file. We are in the project read-write files and it has 3 existing data sets. Let's create a new data set of type, the file type in this case is JSON. Let's go ahead and select our JSON file from the file system, customer.json. If we look at the contents of the file, here are the first 3 lines from the file. So it has a first name, it has a last name, and it has an address. The address would be a complex type. We named our new data set and infer the schema of the JSON file. So here we see that it has inferred it as 3 columns: address, first name, and last name. This is the sample data from the file. Address is of type struct, first name is string, last name is string. We can also go ahead and change the data type if we want to, but we feel that it is good in our case. Let's go ahead and save the data set. So we have a new data set now called customer. It is of type JSON and over the file customer.json. Thank you very much.